Hi everyone, it's Gagajoy, Gagajoy's Cooking, and today we're going to be making enchiladas. Actually make them for my granddaughter. She's coming by today to eat lima beans, and she's expecting a baby, and she's a nurse, so you know how much a meal will mean to her, so I'm going to make this so she can take it home for tomorrow. That's the plans. Let's see how it goes. Anyway, the chicken enchiladas. I had a lot of chicken left over yesterday, and so I thought, well, since Haley's coming over, let's make enchiladas. I'm putting a little bit of taco seasoning in here just for a little bit of flavor. And I usually mix the enchiladas with green chilies and diced tomatoes, or in other words, rotel. We'll put a little bit of it in the pan here so they don't stick. And a little bit in there. And our cream cheese. And a little bit of different kinds of cheeses. That's a little mozzarella. This is all Mexican, 4 cheeses. Yeah. And I think that would be a pretty good mix for our enchiladas. And of course, I'm going to have a bigger pan. Stir in it. Let's just take this one. This is a real good one. I think I can get it real mixed up in this. Sometimes things turn out more than you think it's going to. Anyway, there'll be plenty in here. You know, when you get rotisserie chickens, also you can think of anything that goes with them. I think it's one of the miracles of 24 and 25. Come on in. Put a little bit more of this in here. Okay. Oh yeah, it's doing real good now. That cream cheese had to just melt into it. Yeah. Now, of course, my hands are clean. If they don't, there's a good chance. I'll do it in my hands right quick and see if that'll do. Now with enchiladas, you don't close the ends. You already know that, right? And who doesn't like tacos? These are very close to being a taco. I'm sure that real Mexican people who know the cuisine knows a better way to do it than I do. This is just what I picked up over the years. If you do a different way, let me know. Next time I make them, I'll have a new way. Honestly, you can't go bad. You can't go wrong with everything that's in here. Is just good. Plus, every time's a new surprise, right? If you fix it different every time, be a different surprise. Okay, we got 5. It's just a quick thing. I've got my oven on 375. Of course, everything is already done, so just a matter of mixing the flavors, melting the cheese, three, 6. Got enough for 2 more. Just put it right there. 1 more. I love this big aluminum pan. This was my mother's, so it's about 50 years old. And I would take, it would have to be a lot of money, like $1 million for it. And it was always her favorite pan too to mix things in. Well, maybe a little close, but we'll put it there. Got 1 left. Now let's put some of our sauce on there. That's the good stuff. Now you can make these as hard as you want to. I did have some black sauce, but I know I don't know how much heat they can take right now. Well, looks like it turned out about right, didn't it? Let's put some plenty of cheese on it. That's really what makes it good. Let's put the rest of this back on. In the corners. I think it has plenty of cheese, don't you? Well, our enchiladas are going into the oven. 375 for about a half an hour. Well, there's our enchiladas. don't they? They look very good. Yep, they're all good down in there, good. You don't care if I don't taste it, do you? Because I want my granddaughter to look pretty for my granddaughter. We'll like to taste the sauce right here. Enchiladas it is. Take care of yourself. I'm glad you stuck it out with me. They turned out really good. Give it a try. It's very easy. It's very easy to do and get rid of leftover chicken. Probably hamburger too. Take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Remember the joy.